Alright, so Rank.ai is about helping you specifically if you need search engine optimization SEO for your website. This is a game changer because it's gonna help you with content creation. They've got real humans writing engaging blog content. This is the stuff that can draw more folks to your website and keep them hooked. Optimization, they handle the whole sea bag when it comes to optimizing your site. No keyword stuffing or shady stuff. So it's about making your site the best it can be. Black links, they are like the link masters. They can hook you up with legit blank links in active content. So this can help you or boost your site in authority and search engine rankings. SEO software, they use some top-notch SEO tools like Agency Analytics, SM Rush, SAM Rush, and RL of Ahrefs. These tools give you the inside scoop on how your website is doing and where you can make it even better. Now, the cool part, they got different plans and they start at just $99 a month. No setup fees, no cancellation fees, no contracts. It's flexible, budget friendly for businesses of all size. And they don't use AI to write content because they want to play by Google rules. They've got a talented team of creative peeps who are on it, and when it comes to delivering top notch SEO results. And if you're into making some extra cash, they've got an affiliate program where you can score a sweet 20% recurring commissions for anyone you refer. That's a nice deal. And to join their affiliate program, you just have to scroll all the way down, and there you should see affiliates.